Hi, I'm Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel. My department has spent the last few years traveling the state, hosting expungement fairs, and helping to clear the records of thousands of eligible Michigan residents who've long since served their time. Expungements have been proven to help residents find better housing and employment, increase their income on average 22% within the first year, and contribute to a significantly reduced chance of reoffending. My department has been doing everything we can to make expungements accessible to all qualifying residents by hosting these fairs, partnering with like-minded organizations, and even providing legal assistance to applicants. And I'm happy to announce that the expungement process is about to get a whole lot easier. Beginning on April 11th, 2023, the Michigan State Police will roll out a process to automatically expunge certain convictions without an application, in accordance with the Clean Slate legislation which was enacted in 2020. This program will automatically expunge qualifying, eligible convictions using information from the Criminal Historical Record Database to determine when the proper waiting period for each conviction has elapsed. Up to 4 misdemeanors, punishable by 93 days or more, may be set aside once 7 years have elapsed since the date of the imposition of a sentence. And there's no limit on the number of lesser misdemeanors that can be set aside following the same waiting period. For felonies, up to 2 convictions may be set aside 10 years after either the date of the imposition of the sentence or the completion of any term of imprisonment with the Michigan Department of Corrections, whichever occurs later. There are several additional requirements, including the requirement that the resident not have any criminal charges pending against them. The automatic expungement program will run every day to check for newly eligible convictions, and MSP will pass along that information to the courts whenever a qualifying expungement takes place. Now, we anticipate over 1 million residents will have convictions automatically expunged on April 11th, 400,000 of whom will end the day completely conviction-free, and those numbers will just continue to go up as the program continues to run. Those with convictions which do not qualify for automatic expungement may still be able to go through the traditional expungement application process, assuming that the requirements for that process have been met. Now, the best way to check if you've received an automatic expungement is to visit michigan.gov/iChat after April 11th and view your public record. It costs $10 and requires a valid credit or debit card. This new process will strengthen our state's workforce, reduce recidivism, and be an overall great thing for Michigan communities. For more information on the program, you can visit michigan.gov/AG expunge.